All right, so now that we have our salmon and our veggies on our greased sheet pan, it is time to season this baby up. But first, we're gonna start with some melted butter. This is 2 sticks of melted butter, but I don't know if we're gonna use the whole thing. We're just gonna do a nice drizzle on the entire sheet pan. We want it on the veggies and the salmon because it's just gonna give all that juiciness to our entire dinner. Now I did pre-boil my potatoes for about 5 minutes and they'll continue cooking in the oven. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be so good. Okay, so I used a little bit less than those 2 sticks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some peeled garlic, and I actually have something super easy to mince my garlic because I did want fresh garlic without buying the minced. So let's go ahead and put that all in there just like this. I just got this little gadget on Amazon and it is so user friendly. You just gotta snap it in and then pull this lever right here, just like this. And then our garlic is getting chopped up in there. Oh my, I love some fresh garlic, you guys. This is gonna go so good with the whole dish. All right, let's check on that. Oh, beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead, grab our dish, take out the blades so we don't hurt ourselves, and we're just gonna sprinkle that freshly minced garlic on the entire sheet pan. Now, if you don't like garlic, you can skip it, but you guys know I am a garlic fiend, and I don't know about you guys, but garlic butter salmon with a little lemon sounds like heaven, sounds like a gourmet dinner, and it's all in one sheet pan. That's the best part. You get your starches, your veggies, and your protein all in one. Okay, I think the salmon needs a little bit more garlic because that is gonna be the best part. Delicious. All right, now to season this a little bit more, I have some Italian seasoning, and like we did with the butter and the garlic, we're putting it on the entire dish. That just makes it so easy for you to throw together. And you can use whatever seasonings you want. You can skip the seasonings on some parts, but for me, I just wanna put it all over and get that delicious Italian seasoning flavor, especially on that salmon. We need to season that salmon, babies. And that's just gonna soak up in those lemons and go right through to the salmon. Now I'm gonna grab some paprika. This is gonna be so good, you guys. And I just got this salmon from my Albertsons deli section. So delicious looking. I am way too excited to be serving this. This is gonna feed about 4 people, I believe, maybe 3. Depends on how hungry you are. But get some paprika on everything. Ooh, does not wanna come out. Just give it some extra shaking, especially on that salmon. I am so excited. This smells so good already. I mean, I can only smell the garlic, but I know it's gonna be delicious. I have some chopped parsley here. And you guys know it. Sprinkle it on the entire dish. Oh yeah, this is going to be so good, beautiful. I'm really loving how this coming together. Now, we're gonna do our classics, pepper, and of course some salt. I'm gonna add a lot of pepper because I love pepper, especially on that salmon. Spend some extra attention on the salmon always. I have some pink Himalayan salt, and we're just gonna do a light sprinkle because we don't want it to be too salty. Beautiful. Now, we're almost done here. We have one more ingredient, and this is the one ingredient that's not gonna go on everything. I have some Parmesan grated cheese, and I'm only gonna put this on the potatoes and the asparagus. So on the potatoes and the asparagus, just a nice sprinkle, totally optional. If you don't want the cheese, you could do some mozzarella. Everything is customizable. You could do some Brussels sprouts instead of asparagus, whatever you want. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be good, you guys. All right, beautiful. Now this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and it's gonna cook for only 25 minutes. Salmon cooks super quick, okay? Look how good this came out. Oh my, you guys, I am so excited to dig in. Okay, let's start with our veggies before we cut into that beautiful salmon. I did let it rest for about 3 minutes. Let's get some delicious potatoes. Oh my gosh, these are perfect. I can just tell by how wrinkly they are. Then we got some asparagus. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the perfect dinner. Grab a few tomatoes. Oh my goodness, so juicy. All right, now for the moment we've been waiting, let's go ahead and check to see how it's cooked. Let's move one of these off, and then I think you just do it like, oh yeah, that's cooked beautifully. Okay, let's cut some. Move that one. Oh. All right, don't come at me if I'm cutting this wrong, but I am too excited. Beautiful. Get that little piece that we missed. Yummy in my tummy, you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and try some of that salmon. Oh my gosh, it is cooked so well. Whew, that butter. It tastes like chicken. I love it.